Hey everyone, today I have two stocks to talk about. The first one is IGC. IGC has a news today. Give me a second. Yes, right here. Something to do with the FDA news. So that's a positive thing. The price gapped up from 150 all the way to 145. Then I like to check the daily chart. Let me zoom in. See, you can see here. Oops. Right here is a daily level at 310. It also lined up with this VWAP on this high volume day. Go back to intraday. Mark off the pre-market high. All right. Now I got a plan of how to trade this. I want to buy at support, which is 310, and sell into resistance at 417. So when market opened, this IGC has a breakout over the pre-market high, then get stuffed. Right here. Then, but that doesn't matter to me. I have my order waiting at 312, and I got filled on this red candle here at 312, and obviously the trade didn't work out for me. The price tanked to 255, and this at that moment, no panic. You always need a exiting. The price dropped below my support all the way to 255. I didn't panic. You always need to know when you should get out. So my thesis was when the support broke, I sell into resistance, which is right here. Around 310. Once my support broke, I just put in a limit sell at 305. Yeah, and it eventually filled me right at this candle at 155 in the afternoon or 2. Yeah, so the lesson here is you always need a plan. Know when you should take profit and when you should get out the trade, right? And your entry need to be very specific. Not specific. You need a right entry, and it needs to base off some kind of support. If you enter here, right, if you enter here at 331, you probably, I don't know, if this really breaks down, you won't have a chance to get out for a small loss or break even, right? So base your entry as some kind of support. Always have plan before you jump into a stock. Know when you should take your profit, when to exit your trade. Never panic when the stock goes against you. Yep. The next stock I'm going to talk about is NRXP. So for this stock, it never grabbed my attention before it broke out the pre-market high. So the pre-market high is 1360. So when it broke out, I was alerted by my friend. So, and I go to daily chart. I I didn't see anything that's it's just in a downtrend. I don't see any kind of support other than this 200 moving average at 24.41 right here, but it's too high at that point, at that moment. So when the stock broke out its pre-market high, my plan was to buy the dip at the pre-market high, right? Because previous resistance become new support. It's that simple. Once it broke out, I put a limit buy at 1372, and I got filled once this start to pull back. Right, I got filled right here at 1. So then the next thing I do is mark off the high of the day. The high of the day is my resistance and my profit target, right? You buy at support, sell into resistance. It's not that hard. It's not that complicated. So I took my first partial profit at near 17, I think 1763 after hour, and I still have some of my share for this potential 200 moving average test at $24 right here. So yeah, we will see what's gonna do tomorrow morning. Maybe a gap up, to test my next profit target area, or if this start to break down tomorrow, I will look into lock in my profit.